สวัสดีครับยินดีต้อนรับครับเข้าสู่ช่องของเราHello, hello, my beautiful, lovely angels. This is Jet from the Philippines, the reactor. And if you do have some videos, guys, if you want me to react, let me know down in the comments below because we're gonna go ahead and talk there. And today, I am coming with you guys with another video coming from BNK48 YouTube channel, guys. And this is Make Noise. And oh my goodness, I am really intrigued, guys. And this is one of your recommendations, so I am really a high expectation on this, and let's see, and I cannot literally wait. Okay. Let's go for this. Oh. Okay. Oh. 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 Is this BNK48 that I'm watching, guys? I'm shocked because it's different from the usual BNK, like the girly, playful, young, but this time around here it's different. Oh my god. Oh, oh. That's it. Every time that I watch BNK48 performance, guys, it blows my mind. This is different side of them. This is good. This is really, really good. Oh my god. This video is giving me a different vibe of a BNK48. I'm used to have like a girly, fun, young kind of vibe, but this time around here is they're very notorious, very even the steps are difficult. Before that, guys, want to say hi to you guys. How are you guys doing today? I do hope they do have a wonderful day today. My name is Jet from the Philippines, the reactor. And if you're new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed yet, you can go ahead and click on the subscribe button down there. Yes, the red button for subscribing. Don't forget to click on the tiny bell right beside the subscribe button so that you get notified once I upload a video. And also, guys, let me in the comments as well, what are your favorite videos that you want me to react next. And also, if you like this video as well, don't forget to share this video to your friends and loved ones. And lastly, please do help me reach 29,000 subscribers by the end of this month. So please do help me with that, okay? And let's go ahead and proceed with the reaction. Oh? Oh, this is difficult. whoever is the choreographer of this particular video, it must be difficult. I mean, it's different from other songs that they did. I want to see them perform in T-pop stage. If you have the T-pop stage dance, please let me know in the comments, guys, because I'm really want to see it, guys. Please let me know in the comments, guys, because I want to see the level of difficulty of the dance. So, ooh. Oh? Oh! Oh, I also did notice, guys, that their costume is no longer like a girly type or like schoolgirl, because that is the brand of BNK. But right now, they're no longer schoolgirls. Please let me know in the comments, guys. What do you think of this Make Noise music video? Because for me, I'm shocked, and again, I want to see them performance in T-pop stage. So if you do have it, guys, please let me know in the comments, okay? Ooh. Oh gosh, the difficulty is different. Ah! I love it. Hey! I love it, guys. I do really love this particular music video, guys. So if you do have the T-pop stage performance, guys, of this group, please let me know in the comments, guys, because I am going to watch it together with you guys. So, whoo, my god, I do really love this music video. And also, guys, please let me know in the comments, guys, what is the name of, and also guys, please let me know in the comments, guys, what does proxy mean? Because like I just reacted to this particular video, guys, and I literally don't know who are those. Please let me know in the comments, guys, what is the meaning of proxy, and if you want to see it, guys, just click here.